Hi guys, Mark here, and today we're just going to be going through the minor 6th and 5th string root note bar chords, alright? So I'm just going to go through with you today the A minor and the D minor bar chords, both of which are movable, so you can move them around, so A minor, B minor, C minor, D, etc, etc, etc. Alright? What I'm going to do is zoom into my fretboard for you so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we are, we've got the bar on fret 5. Make sure that your thumb is just at the bottom under the curve on the neck, and your first finger is just over the fret, and then you lean it back like that, okay? You should be able to get all 6 strings ringing out. Now I do quite a detailed explanation on this on my major bar chords, so that's on my website, www.randlesonguitar.co.uk. Okay, so then that goes into, you know, the full kind of pressure for you. All right. And what we want to do here, so you get the pressure on the 5th fret. Don't put too much pressure on, but you know, it might be a little bit awkward, but take the pain. It's all good. No pain, no gain. And then you put your 3rd finger here on the 7th fret on the 5th string, and little finger on the 7th fret on the 4th string, and you strum down 6 strings. Excuse me. It should sound like that, hopefully. Okay? If you get some muting from those, especially the 3rd and 4th string, it normally means that your little finger is touching the 3rd string and the pressure isn't quite enough on that part of your 1st finger. Now, a little thing that you can do is just move your 1st finger up and down to find the sweet spot, alright, where all the strings ring out, and then you put your fingers back on, and it normally helps, alright? So that's A minor, alright? Like I said, you can move that around, turn it into A minor, up 2 frets, B minor, 1 fret, C minor, etc, etc, alright? And then we're going to move on to the D minor, or the 5th string root note minor chord shape, alright? So the D note is here, on the 5th fret on the 5th string, still with a bar, but we don't need to fret the bottom string now, okay? So we put our 2nd finger here on the 2nd string, 6th fret, 3rd finger here on the 4th string on the 7th fret, little finger here on the 3rd string, 7th fret. Okay? And again, there are a couple of little obstacles that you can get here. Your little finger can touch that 2nd string, which is a bit of a nightmare, but you've got to bring your hand through, so that's through towards you in this case, yeah, alright? Or else it leans back like that, so you've got to come through like this. Sometimes dropping your shoulder here helps. If you have your shoulder, you know, arched like that, it's like everything's bad and tense, yeah? Just keep it loose. Okay, so that's D minor. Again, you can move that around, D minor, up 2 frets, E minor, up 1 fret, F minor, up 2 more frets, G minor, etc, etc. Okay, so there you go guys, that's how to play the 2 minor bar chord shapes, 1 5th and 1 6th string root note. Hopefully that helped. If you've got any questions or anything, don't forget to pop onto my website, that's www.randlesonguitar.co.uk, and underneath this lesson there should be a comment box with any questions that you want to ask. Just whack them in there, and I do read them all, alright, so I will get back to you. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to me. Even if you aren't watching it on YouTube, subscribe to me on YouTube, and then you're constantly updated with my new lessons, etc, etc. And also you can follow me on Facebook, that is Mark Randlesson Guitar Tuition. I'll see you guys soon in my next lesson. Mark out for now.